Yo, Frob, this is so boring. Who would like this stupid job anyways? Cheer up, Daniel. Being Santa isn't that bad. Just shut up. I see you must be the new Santa, Daniel. Who on earth are you? Huh, Amalthea from The Last Unicorn. How you doing? I'm doing great, thanks. Frob, what on earth is The Last Unicorn? It's another obscure film from the 80s, though it isn't quite as obscure as Bagi the Monster of My Nature. Oh, hello, Amalthea. I see you must be meeting Santa Daniel. Hello to you as well, Jasper. Yes, I have seen him. I am certainly having one of the worst Christmas so far.